Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Kraken application on your PC. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to download or install Kraken application on your PC, then here's how to do it. First, make sure to download any kind of an Android emulator. In my case, I've downloaded the BlueStacks Android emulator. Simply open your BlueStacks Android emulator and make sure that you're logged in. From the main homepage of BlueStacks, click on the Play Store option. You'll need to sign into your Google account in order to open up your Play Store option on your Android emulator. Soon after you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in Kraken and make your search. Once you find the application in the search result, give it a click and click on the install button right next to the app to begin the downloading process. Now all you need to do is to wait for the application to be downloaded on your PC, and your application should start downloading. Soon after it installs, you'll be able to see an open button popping up. Simply click it on to launch the app open. And that is how you can easily download Kraken application on your PC. Pretty simple, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.